decision is unanimous. Best Egyptian attire for May is contestant number 13, Justin Sagon for Adelpa. Female category, Best Egyptian attire. Unanimous decision. Judge 1, rank number 1 siya. Judge 2, rank number 1. Judge 3, rank number 1. Judge 4, rank number 1. And Judge 5 is rank number 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 5. So far behind the score. So, best Egyptian attire for female is candidate number 9, Maria